everyone, I am Nupur, an interior designer working at BVM Insole. Today I am here to present our recently completed penthouse for Mr. Kshitij and Mrs. Anamika Agarwal, which is situated in One North Society, Pune. The home is designed in modern theme. We have experimented different materials in this home. Our clients are very fond of traveling, love socializing and host different parties at their home. So we have designed a terrace in such a manner, like we have segregated different areas, a chill area, a dance floor area, an office area, and coming in the open area, there is a sit out with a bar unit and a jacuzzi. Additionally, we have designed a home theater in a dark theme with a pop colors to it. So let's see how it turned out.
Entrance blends modern elegance with serene design. The shoe rack with cushioned seating is accentuated by 3-inch wooden rafters of random heights finished with veneer on the back panel and on the rafters and enhanced by integrated spotlights. Adjacent to this is a beautifully lit Buddha panel illuminated from all the 4 sides to create a calming focal point. Adjacent to this is a low-height platform seamlessly merges into the design, providing space for decorative artifacts or statues. A concealed fire shaft is cleverly hidden behind an openable push-button shutter finished with an artificial vertical garden for aesthetic appeal while remaining fully accessible. A projected nameplate is neatly installed on the shutter, adding a personalized touch. The main door is designed to blend seamlessly with its surrounding, creating a hidden door effect through the continuous and repetitive design. Both the door and the adjacent panels are finished with a CNC cut veneer sheet, adding texture and visual interest while maintaining uniformity. 2 striking lion face accents are mounted on the panel besides the door, adding a bold, regal touch to the otherwise minimalist facade. This clever design not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also offers a sleek integrated look. The foyer area has 2 parallel walls. This wall is designed with a marble effect wallpaper with 2 wall lights on the sides and a designer mirror in the center. The console is designed with the brass pipe with the Korean top on it to give a luxury look to the area. On the opposite wall, there is a beautiful 3D wall art with lighting with a golden frame surrounding it. The foyer false ceiling is elegantly adorned with a bronze acrylic sheet that exudes luxury and depth. This refined detail is enhanced by a striking designer chandelier and soft ambient lighting, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere from the very first step inside. To create a huge and luxurious living room as desired by the client, there was a room which we had demolished. This resulted in a spacious area with 3 prominent walls. This is an accent wall on the left featuring a brick texture paint finish. A handleless console unit is designed with the planters on either sides. The console has a circular CNC cut design at the center of its shutter, highlighted with a golden acrylic sheet and handles. For the TV panel, the client desired a unique and luxurious design. To achieve this, a wall featuring a handmade resin art panel was created, incorporating LED lighting from all the 4 sides to highlight the artwork and the color scheme. Apart from the TV panel, on both the sides are open display units finished with veneer and enhanced by profile lighting to showcase display items. Below the TV panel, a fireplace is integrated, accompanied by storage drawers on either sides with elegant rose gold handles. Coming towards the sofa back wall, there is a massive 20 feet long surface that needed a bold design statement. After exploring multiple options, we finalized on the stunning concept. The wall is adorned with a 3D layered pattern panel with 2 layers accentuated using golden sweet work, adding depth and richness. Several golden birds are integrated, lighting are designed to appear as if flying across the wall, bringing a sense of motion and elegance. The background transitions into a soothing aqua blue back-painted glass, evoking a feeling of sky. Framing this masterpiece on either sides are dark-toned rafter panels which provide contrast and further highlights the feature wall, making it a true focal point of the living room. The right rafter panel was transformed into a hidden door, seamlessly blending with the design. The room that was demolished had an attached washroom, but since the client didn't require it, all sanitary fixtures were removed. The space was cleverly repurposed into a footwear section with an acrylic ceiling above, adding a sleek and modern touch. In the passage area of the living room ceiling, a unique feature is the incorporation of an LED remote sensor light that offers various lighting modes. In the corner of the living room, a cozy sitting area has been created with 2 chairs and a coffee table placed near the window, offering a perfect spot for relaxation. On the adjacent wall, a sleek panel design conceals a foldable study table, blending functionality with aesthetics while maintaining a clean and modern look. The ceiling is designed using a combination of POP and bronze acrylic sheet, giving it a sophisticated layered look. Golden vertical rafters, highlighted with the integrated lighting, added a touch of elegance and depth. To complete the look, designer fans with built-in lights have been installed, blending functionality with style. This area showcases a luxury and modern dining area. At the center is a sleek white onyx dining table with elegant high-backed chairs upholstered in a combination of cream and burnt orange tone with gold-tipped legs, enhancing the sophisticated look. To the right, a decorative wall clock combined with artistic blue floral elements adds a pop of color and a touch of playfulness. Towards the left, a glass-fronted storage unit displays crockery or pantry items, while a spiral staircase peeks through, subtly connecting the levels of home. Above the dining, a striking chandelier with a golden hue crystal accents hangs within a recessed ceiling detail, finished with a bronze acrylic and vertical golden rafters, adding depth and drama to the space. The kitchen is designed in a refined white and gold color palette, exuding a luxurious yet modern aesthetics. At the center, a Korean-topped island offers ample storage beneath with handleless drawers finished with golden Duco paint for a sleek look. A tall unit houses wicker basket for vegetables like onions and potatoes, alongside slots for a microwave and OTG. The L-shaped platform features a Korean countertop with a gentle curved design towards the end, mirrored in the overhead cabinets for a balanced and cohesive appearance. The overheads finished in a marble effect laminate, and both overheads and undercounters has a provision of golden G-profile handles to access the storage, which is enhanced with front-facing lighting for both function and style. Instead of traditional tiles, the backsplash is done in golden back-painted glass, adding a rich glossy finish. A black tinted glass unit with golden profile shutter adds a contrast and visual interest, breaking a monotony while maintaining elegance. There's a pull-out corner designed for small appliances like mixers and grinders, complete with an overhead switchboard for easy use, which can be tucked away neatly after use. This beautifully designed mandir combines tradition with elegance. The marble effect alabaster sheet features a golden Sanskrit shloka enhanced by warm backlighting. The sides and top jalis are made in MDF CNC cut and finished with Duco paint, and floral wall lights adds charm to the space. A stunning chandelier is incorporated with a recessed lighting, brings a divine glow. The mandir includes a pull-out tray for keeping diyas and agarbatti and have a storage below. The golden knobs are incorporated to give an elegant look. In the passage area, where the ceiling height was relatively low, a creative design solution was implemented to enhance the visual height. PVC rafters were used vertically from floor to ceiling and extended onto the ceiling itself. Upon entering the kids' bedroom, you can see it is designed in a vibrant and playful design with full of colors. The room features an orange upholstered hydraulic bed with a headboard which symbolizes the cloud design with the light behind it. Warm LED strip lights are installed underneath the bed, creating a gentle glow that highlights the wooden flooring. Behind the bed, the wall has a subtle wallpaper installed, but a section to the left displays a vertical stripes in pastel shades resembling a rainbow. On the right side, a circular light fixture with a small scattered lights mimics the look of the moon. The side table is designed with drawer fronts featuring a simple smiley face cutouts, adds a touch of childlike charm. The existing white wardrobes were retained and a new loft with fluted shutters finished in Duco paint were added on the push button above the existing wardrobes. To introduce a unique and personalized touch, a central two shutters of the wardrobe features CNC cut geometric shapes backed by a digital displaying pictures of the kids and their favorite cartoons, complemented by grey fluted glass. Playful spacecraft shaped handles were used for the wardrobes. A full height arch shaped mirror leans against the wall, serving as a dressing mirror and also visually expanding the space. A dedicated study area is incorporated. A sleek tabletop extends from a wall featuring vertical fluted panels finished with Duco paint. The desk is supported by a playful leg with colorful geometric shapes. Above the desk, a semicircular teal fabric pinboard is mounted, displaying artwork and what appears to be medals, suggesting the child's achievement and interest. A striking storage unit with alternating horizontal bands of bright blue and yellow stands at the end of the desk, adding a pop of color and providing further storage options. Upon entering the master bedroom, one is immediately greeted by a striking modern design theme, a true game changer for us. The bed features an upholstered headboard with plush, fluffed cushioning that adds a distinct touch of luxury. Behind the bed, the wall panel is crafted in layered design element incorporating integrated LED lighting. It combines high-end fabric finishes with sleek Duco paint, elevating the visual richness of the space. The bed itself is upholstered and subtly enhanced with underbed lighting, creating a floating effect that contributes to the room's modern elegance. Besides the bed, curved side tables are finished in Duco paint, complement the soft design language. This design language continues seamlessly as the wall panel extends from the side tables to the ceiling and runs onto the ceiling, curving at the corners to maintain visual continuity. A matching panel is mirrored on the opposite wall near the seating area, reinforcing symmetry and design harmony. Cylindrical lights are integrated into these panels, contributing both functional and ambient lighting. An existing modular wardrobe has been incorporated into the design by replacing the central 4 shutters with sleek glass profile shutters. To complement the updated look, a loft has been added above the wardrobe, made in fluted MDF shutters and finished with Duco paint, seamlessly aligning with the room's modern aesthetic. Every design of this room has been thoughtfully curated and stitched together to reflect a cohesive, sophisticated and stylish ambience throughout the master bedroom. Coming towards the dressing area, the client had a clear and specific vision for it, emphasizing uniqueness and functionality. To meet her expectations, the dressing unit was thoughtfully designed in 3 distinct segments: a central mirror flanked by cosmetic storage racks on the both sides. These racks features glass shutters with integrated profile lighting to ensure optimal visibility and a clean modern look. Additionally, a side unit was designed and a partial of it enclosed in glass shutter and illuminated with profile lighting perfectly suits for showcasing an exclusive collection of handbags. In a smart design move, the entire dressing area was seamlessly integrated with the adjoining washroom through a hidden sliding door. In the dry area, a stylish vanity with a golden wash basin is paired with a sensor mirror above, while the opposite wall houses a golden WC set against a backdrop of the golden accent tiles. The wet area showcases a central circular ceiling design, adding architectural interest. A standout feature is the oval-shaped wall finished with golden highlighted tiles designed to elegantly house the shower panel. All the sanitary fixtures are finished in gold, maintaining a consistent luxury aesthetic throughout. Beyond the wet area, a dedicated steam room offers a private space for relaxation and wellness. Coming inside the guest bedroom offers a stylish and a contemporary ambience. The bed is a striking feature designed with a floating appearance and finished in veneer, incorporating discreet storage with underlighting. The wall behind the bed is designed with charcoal sheets on both sides, flanking a central cushion panel accented by golden acrylic sheets on either side and illuminated by hanging lights above the side table. The headboard provides a pop of blue color to it, which complements with the room. The side tables are movable and has a single drawer for storage purpose. For storage, the existing white wardrobes were kept and a new lock finished in veneer was added above, which has an access through the push button. Adjacent to the wardrobe is a sleek study ledge finished in veneer and supported by a curved wooden leg finished with golden Duco paint. A low, white storage unit with rounded edges offers additional storage with both closed and open shelving. The wall behind the unit is covered with marble effect wallpaper. A full-height mirror with vertical LED lighting strips on both sides is designed for dressing. Besides the dining area, the home features a striking spiral staircase that leads to the terrace. A zen corner has been thoughtfully designed at the base of the staircase, complemented by subtle profile lighting beneath the steps to enhance both ambience and illumination. Moving into the passage area, this playful and creatively designed passageway combines artistic expression with functional design. We have extended the flooring and finished it with checkered tiles to create a bold and dynamic look. Directly ahead, A standout feature is a signboard partition serves as a unique feature where we have hand painted the names of the zones we had designed. To the left, an eye-catching mural of the scooter in the front of the wooden shutters brings a nostalgic charm, while the illusion-style painted door at the end of the corridor creates a sense of depth. Below the basin, we have incorporated a triangular storage unit cleverly designed to conceal the bottle trap, while a mirror above the wash basin completes the setup with both function and style. Towards the left side of the passage, three distinct thematic zones come into the view: Netflix and chill, rock and roll, and the tequila office. The tequila office is envisioned as a compact home office setup perfect for intimate meetings and focused work sessions. Retaining the furniture, the space has been enhanced with the striking black acrylic world map mounted on a vertical grooved white panel. Backlit with the warm lighting, the map creates a dramatic yet professional ambience, making the space feel global and connected. Above it, the illuminated tequila logo adds branding and sophistication. On the opposite wall, an existing wall opening has been transformed into an open display unit thoughtfully designed to showcase medals and trophies. Coming into the rock and roll zone, it shows a lively indoor party or music event setup with a rock and roll neon sign, colorful stage lighting, and sound equipment. This space features a cozy wooden floor, greenery decor, and a festive atmosphere suitable for performance and celebrations. Adjacent to it is a Giggle Gala zone. It shows a stylish and cozy entertainment lounge featuring a large TV, sound system, and a comfy brown leather sofa cum bed. A sofa cum bed is a stylish and space-saving furniture piece that functions as both a comfortable sofa and a convenient bed, ideal for modern multifunctional living space. Decor elements like Netflix and chill neon sign, fairy lights, a wall mount guitar, and a quirky clock creates a fun and relaxed atmosphere. Coming in an outside area, a cozy and stylish outdoor sitting area featuring a semicircular arrangement of white wicker sofas with bright orange cushions and tropical themed pillows. A secondary ceiling has been added above the existing RCC grid ceiling. The new LED is constructed using white polycarbonate sheets, providing effective protection from rain while allowing diffuse natural light to filter through. Additionally, warm white cylindrical lights have been installed to enhance ambient illumination and maintain a consistent aesthetic throughout the space. A stylish outdoor water fountain made in granite, framed by a vertical garden and LED lights, creates a serene, party-ready ambience. The bar area showcases a striking and elegant design anchored by a 10 feet high arched wall that serves as a focal point. Two elongated oval niches are seamlessly embedded into the wall, finished in a rich golden paint and illuminated with warm profile lighting to highlight the curated selections of bar bottles. The arched wall is finished with a metallic texture which creates a warm and inviting ambience perfect for an outdoor setting. The counter structure is supported by a frame of MS pipes, ensuring a durability for external use. Surrounding the bar are high stools with white wicker frames and orange cushions that complement the golden tones of the bar. Overall, the space balances functionality with visual appeal, making it an ideal spot for evening gatherings and entertainment. Moving into the duct area, the space has been repurposed into a storage unit zone for bar equipments. The storage unit features adjustable shelves allowing access to the duct door behind. It is enclosed with clear glass framed in a golden profile and illuminated with profile light for visibility. Below the shelving, drawers provide additional storage. This vibrant wall mural transforms the space into a whimsical garden scene. Framed by two green shuttered windows, the mural is filled with lush greenery and a variety of colorful flowers, creating a lively and cheerful atmosphere. At the center, a pair of golden wings are beautifully illustrated and backlit, inviting visitors to pose in front of them, perfect for photo opportunities. Additionally, an existing niche in the structure has been smartly repurposed into a shower area, allowing users to rinse off after enjoying the jacuzzi, thereby enhancing the functionality and user comfort. A jacuzzi has been thoughtfully installed, set on the raised platform with a step-up provision and an adjustable foldable staircase for convenient and safe access. As you approach the backside of the home, you are greeted by an elegant arrangement of bamboo shooter plants, adding a touch of nature and serenity to the space. Stepping inside, the ceiling is completely covered with POP sheets and thermocol panels specifically installed to provide effective soundproofing and enhance acoustic performance. The hand-painted mural on one of the key walls adds an artistic focal point throughout, designed to stand out and bring life to the otherwise muted panel. The space presents a contemporary aesthetic with dramatic flair, beginning with a bold wall mural on the right-hand side. The hand-painted art piece features a striking abstract portrait of the woman with vivid colors: blue, red, yellow, and orange, adding a powerful visual element that immediately draws attention. Coming inside the home theater area, the ceiling is designed with profile lights that run the length of the room, enhancing the sleek and immersive ambience. The ceiling and upper wall portions appear to be finished in dark charcoal paint. On the left side, a row of mustard yellow recliner chairs offers luxurious seating. Each chair is equipped with personal trays and cup holders, ensuring comfort and convenience for viewers. The wall behind the seating features illuminated signage and framed art, contributing to the cinematic view. The focal point of the space is a large wall-mounted projector screen ready to deliver an immersive viewing experience. It's framed by black walls, enhancing contrast and ensuring optimal picture clarity.
Hi everyone, I am Anamika Mishra. We stay in One North. I would like to thank BVM Interiors, especially Vishal and his team, for giving us such a wonderful home. I would like to share my experience with the entire team and would like to give a special shout out to Pooja and Nupur. They sat with us and they understood what we required actually. For a woman, kitchen is very important. Each and every part of house is very important for all of us. So it was very wonderful like how they spent time with us and they understood each and every requirement. Maybe any requirement about kitchen or the bedroom or the living room. I was really very worried when we got this house that whether we would be able to transform this home to our wonderful place of living. We had a vision of having a very peaceful house and the vibes, how we want the vibes of house to be. So really it was very wonderful experience with Vishal and team, and I would really like to recommend that you please get in touch with Vishal if you really want your home to be transformed into a beautiful, lovely space. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kshitij Agarwal. I stay in One North. So I hired BVM almost like a year back to design my house. I'm a very difficult customer, right? I have my own preferences and taste. I have some specific things in mind which I want to be, get it done in a certain way. And I would highly appreciate the professionalism and the patience of BVM, who understood my requirement, gave me designs which matches the way I wanted it. They helped me correct it in the multiple ways, where eventually the end product which came out is exactly what I needed, or even I would say better than I needed. I would especially thank Pooja and Nupur to bring up some more ideas from their end, which I have not thought of, and that shows the creativity and professionalism, where some of the elements which they've added in the house, especially those selfie points and the mural paintings and all. I think it has become like a talks in front of our friends, and we are so proud of the house which it has come out to be. The best part in our house is our terrace, where and we are like a party people. We go to parties almost every week, and I think we have found a party place right at our home, and there is no reason to leave our house every weekend, and we can just enjoy our house all the time. So thank you so much BVM for bringing this to creating this dream home for us, and will highly recommend them. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir and ma'am, for your kind words. Thank you in believing in us, trusting us, and had been supportive in all the ups and downs throughout this journey. We are glad that you like BVM's work. We BVMites are happy to have successfully completed project with your support and coordination. Thank you so much. To all the viewers who are watching this video, if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.